All right, folks, what's going on? We got another Ford F250 coming at you. This is a 2011 F250 6.7 diesel. We actually built this truck, so we know everything about this one. All the upgrades will be straight on the website as well. You can go to that website at www.dlux-motorsports.com. This truck has rated 149,000 miles. It was just lifted, so all the lift components only have about 10 miles on it after testing. So body-wise, in very good shape. Truck came out of Texas. Again, zero rust, zero issues. Tires brand new. 20x14s brand new. Fully serviced over at my service shop at Dlux Motorsports too. So mechanically, this truck is in super nice shape. Run, drive it anywhere. But this video should give you guys a good idea that are out of state watching my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit the bottom in the bottom right corner. You click the subscribe button. It'll allow you to see all these trucks that we post, and you'll get notified as soon as we post them. So this may not be the truck for you, but the next one may. So it's a good way to know exactly what's coming up next. But again, just a gorgeous truck on the body. The interior two-tone. This is a fully loaded Lariat. It even has nav, dual power seats with a sunroof. So that was the special two-tone that they had from Ford. There's one small tear in the passenger seat. The driver's seat looks really good. Finished off in wood grain. Again, sunroof truck. A little bit more rare to find in these ones. Back seats in very good shape. Carpets, super clean. Headliner, super clean. And you can look down the body lines and just see there's nothing wavy. It's still super glossy, just the way we like them. Go down to the passenger side. FX4 package. Same thing. You look down the body side, the side on the driver's side. Body's as clean as they come. Again, same thing. The frame, everything underneath, zero rust. Very good shape. Driver's side seat, very minimal wear. Just normal wear you'd expect on a lifted truck. So again, overall, another beautiful 2011 Ford F250 6.7 power stroke. Just over 149,000 miles. And the truck runs and drives like it's got 40 or 50. It's, like I said, it's been serviced correctly. Everything's the way it should be. So again, if you're interested, you can reach us on the website, www.dlux-motorsports.com. You can call our office direct, 540-898-1300. And I will tell you too, we build a lot of these for the public. So if you're interested in lifting your truck, give us a call. We can give you a quote. We have the best prices in town, probably throughout the whole state of Virginia for prices on lift wheels and tires or any truck accessory you need. So look us up, give us a call, 540-898-1300. Again, this is Mark, Dlux Motorsports. Chat with you then.